Alright, welcome to DaHomie That Samples. It's DaHomie Beats, episode 18. Today is the 13th. Yeah, we're just gonna get to it. I have a loop today. Well, I don't have a loop, I found a sample actually. I was looking through samples. I was trying to do something from scratch, but it wasn't working out. So let's see. We're gonna go straight to it.
Recibido.
Alright, that's it for today. I'm just gonna structure it, and yeah, it was another fun beat. At first, it took me a while to catch the vibe, but I think I think I caught it in the end. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me, catching the vibe with me, and subscribe and like, and yeah, thank you guys. Until next time.